Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can switch AutoCAD from the basic or by default 2D workspace to the 3D workspace. And as you know, AutoCAD is a very powerful software, and it's actually kind of two softwares in one. It allows you to create drawings in 2 dimensions, and also it allows you to create drawings in 3 dimensions. So to do this, all you have to do is change the workspace. So the workspace selection is here located on the top left, and right now we are on the default drafting and annotation. So just click that and you will see that the pull down menu is going to show, and you can just click on either 3D basic or 3D modeling workspace. Now I do recommend to stick to the 3D modeling option, and that's because it gives you all the available commands for 3D drawing. Instead, the 3D basics is a more reduced and simplified interface that although it may look less daunting, it will just give you less choices. So it's better to use the 3D modeling, in my opinion. So just click on 3D modeling workspace and you will see that the read-on is changing completely, and you have a new set of commands, and it's completely different. Okay, and if you take a closer look, you will see that still you have some 2D options here on the read-on, but of course they are much smaller to make space for the 3D ones. So let's just draw something in 3D. Now I'm in 3D mode. I can just go ahead and click on the box command that creates a 3D solid box. I click on it just like I would draw a normal rectangle, and after I'm done, just left click again to finish my box. Now it doesn't look like 3D right now, and that's because I'm in the top view, you see here on my cube. So what I have to do is using the orbit command to rotate this on orbit around the cube, and you will see that it is actually a 3D box, and I can see it from the different angles using the orbit command. Now not only I can create boxes, okay, I can also create all sorts of things. So here in the modeling tab, I can just click on the box icon and you see that you have different kinds of primitives like cylinders, cones, spheres. So let's just draw, for example, a cone. I click on a cone, I click where I want the center to be, I define one of the dimensions, the width, so to say, and then the height. I can go either up and down, okay, in relationship to the plane. Let's go up, and that completes my cone. Again, I can use the orbit command to see that it's a cone. Now, right now the cone doesn't look filled. It's because we are actually using a wireframe view. So if you want to see the object more like it will be in its rendered 3D form, okay, or in its finished 3D form, you have to go here where it says 2D wireframe. Okay, it's a visual style, and just change it from 2D wireframe maybe to let's say shaded with edges. So I click on that, and now you see that the 3D objects looks more like really solid 3D objects. And again, I can just go ahead and rotate. Okay, let's create some other things before concluding. I'm just gonna create a sphere. Same thing, you select the center of the sphere and then you go. Now you notice when I orbit, the sphere has been created in between the plane. So the center of the sphere is kind of cutting my X and Y planes. You can easily change that by moving the sphere, but I will do that in another video. So this is how you enter in 3D mode and have all the 3D mode options available to you. And also remember to change these visual styles, and it's going to help you a lot when you draw. Especially, the most used visual styles are the shaded with edges and also the 2D wireframe, and that will give you the different 3D objects with these wireframes that will help you to just change the shape of these objects if you want. But again, I'm going to talk more about that in future videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and see you soon.